Alrighty, hello everyone and welcome to episode whatever this is of the castle. It's been so many episodes, I've lost count of the numbers. I'm gonna have to look up what episode this is myself. This is future me editing. I'm mumbling and you can't hear any audio matching up with my lips because the wind is just too loud and I couldn't use the clip. But today we're going to be building the castle. We're going to move a few different stones, and I moved actually in this episode. I end up moving majority of the pile from that little second guard tower foundation. I move it all into the wall just to make the wall a little bit stronger. What happens at the end of this episode is like a bunch of missing clips and deleted footage that's just unrecoverable, and that is because the wind or the invisible man, not really sure which one, but they pushed the tripod over and splooshed it into the salt water, and the whole thing got completely fried. And when I checked the SD card, the clip was just gone as well. It was just like one deleted clip, and it was the one at the end. And so I had to wait like an entire week to get a new camera delivered from like another island really far away, and it took really long. So that's why there hasn't been an episode of the castle in a while. I did do some extra filming with cameraman Chris where we tested the sentry turret's range. It was around about 20 to 30 meters at sort of an incline angle about the castle, and that was pretty fun, but I didn't get any clips of that in here, so I have to wait until I see whatever he's doing with his footage. It looks like the little gate here has made a trail of shells where the water's been rushing in. So now I've got a little streak of white shells. Alright, we've got the gate over there. We've got a little pile of rocks, and we're going to have to start moving into the main circle. So I can put a new pile of rocks over there. That's what it looks like. A little mound and a little wall surrounding the mound. Let's spin it around. Alright, future me here. The other camera got completely destroyed. It fell in the salt water, the wind pushed it over. It was very rude. And we lost the camera, so I had to wait like a week to get a new camera. But at the end of the episode, I have moved a lot more stone, although you can probably barely see any difference. It just looks like a pile of rocks. But if I zoom in, this is the first part where the castle used to be before it got bulldozed. And then over here is the new one. It's a little bit taller. It's still sticking out of the water. As you notice, there's stones on top that are not at all wet, and that is because when it is flat calm, there's no waves. It's out of the splash zone now, which is kind of nice. You can't see the little stone circle because it's completely buried. And we've begun rebuilding that tower over there that was knocked down to rebuild this tower. Tiny bit of progress, barely noticeable, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the end of episode whatever this episode is, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodaloo, goodbye. I'm just a little worried that it might go somewhere it's not supposed to go if I let it go off like this. But it should be fine. Actually, no, I'm not gonna test it. It's kind of windy, and I don't want to blow the arrow in a direction that it shouldn't go. Just go ahead and set this off. It's very satisfying to set off. You just you pull it back and it just goes whoomph. Oop. Oh. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have an excellent day.